Autos Era brings you an in-depth look at the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss, a rugged and capable full-size pickup truck designed for off-road enthusiasts who need power, performance, and advanced technology. With bold styling, impressive capability, and modern features, the latest Trail Boss continues to be a standout choice in the truck segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Silverado 1500 Trail Boss offers multiple engine options to suit different driving needs. The standard 5.3-liter V8 delivers 355 horsepower and 383 pounds-feet of torque, providing strong performance for towing and off-road adventures. For those seeking more power, the available 6.2-liter V8 pushes out 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque, ensuring exceptional capability in all conditions. Chevrolet also offers a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, which produces 305 horsepower and 495 pounds-feet of torque, making it an excellent choice for fuel efficiency and long-haul towing. All engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive shifts. The Trail Boss stands out with its factory-installed off-road suspension lift, giving it a higher ground clearance for tackling rough terrain. It features Rancho monotype shocks, skid plates, and a 2-inch lift for improved approach and departure angles. The standard 4-wheel drive system includes an automatic locking rear differential and a 2-speed transfer case, allowing it to handle various terrains with confidence. The truck rides on aggressive all-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch or optional 20-inch wheels, offering superior grip and durability. In terms of design, the 2025 Silverado Trail Boss sports a bold front grille with black tout accents, red tow hooks, and LED lighting for a rugged and aggressive look. The high-strength steel bed includes 12 standard tie-down points, a power-up/down tailgate option, and an available spray-in bed liner for added durability. The multi-flex tailgate provides added versatility, making loading and unloading cargo easier than ever. Inside, the cabin is designed for both comfort and functionality. The 2025 model features a large 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Chevrolet's latest software, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 12.3-inch digital driver display provides key vehicle information, while an available Bose premium sound system enhances the audio experience. The interior offers a mix of durable materials and premium finishes, with available leather seating, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel for added luxury. Safety and driver assistance features are also upgraded, with standard forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. Additional features like a surround view camera system, rear cross-traffic alert, and trailer assist technologies make driving and towing easier and safer. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss remains one of the most capable and well-equipped off-road trucks on the market. Whether you're tackling rugged trails or hauling heavy loads, this truck is built to handle it all with power, durability, and advanced technology. Make sure to subscribe for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest vehicles.